The results for the first half of the year are good. Well, I would characterize them as resilient. We've had strong performance during a transformative period. Our billings are up 10.3%. Our revenue's up 21.3%. And that's absorbing investment in our strategic initiatives. Because of the cyclical nature and the seasonal nature of our business, you would normally see a loss in the first half of the year. And that's the same again this year. However, the loss is less than the same period last year. And that's after absorbing the investment that we've made in the strategic initiative. On top of all that, we've got a dividend that's consistent with the same time last year, reflecting the board's confidence in the plan and in the delivery of the plan. So overall, I would say the results for the first half of the year are very good. We've changed our name to Appreciate Group because we want to position ourselves better for the opportunities that we see ahead. Having assessed the brand and the perception of the Park brand and positioning, etc., we felt that there was work needed to be done to get people to have the proper perception, proper understanding of our business. And the time and energy to do that were going to be significant. And really, we chose the option of a clean start with a name that not only is tied to our history, but is actually positioning us for the future. So everything we do and have been doing for years is about sort of joyful and happy occasions. So celebrating Christmas, giving a gift, rewarding or recognizing an employee, all very happy sort of events, if you like. So Appreciate is sort of linked to that and rooted in that sort of feeling of joy, but also positioning us for great opportunities in the future in terms of we see big possibilities in the side around rewarding and recognizing and so on. So we thought it was the right thing to do to get the new name, get the correct positioning and build the right perception of the company, as I say, to position us for the future opportunities that are ahead. Over the period, we've made great progress in both the consumer and the corporate divisions. So on the corporate side, we've had billings growth of over 9%. On the consumer side, billings growth of over 12%. For the corporate side, the growth has been driven by an increase in demand, but also the impact of new corporate partners that have come on board during the last 12 months. On the consumer side, we're seeing a significant increase in the consumers coming to us through highstreetvouchers.com, almost 50% increase in the numbers there. And we've done a lot to try and drive that, but also to try and position us for future growth indeed, because we've improved our marketing and fine-tuned some of the marketing that we've already been doing. We've developed some new products and we've improved the underlying technology to make the existing products work better. So things like faster refresh of the web pages and smoother use of the card at the till and so on. So we've done a lot to improve the user experience, but also to improve the positioning of the product. And we've had a significant improvement in our redemption partner set. So we've got more online stores as well as experienced providers to add to the mix that was, there was a lot of high street retailers before. So we've kind of diversified our mix, which is a very positive thing. And then we're doing a lot around the digital delivery of our products. We've got a very exciting new product for consumers that really reimagines the gifting process. And we're excited about that. It's currently in testing, but it's coming to a website near you very soon. One of the key elements of our strategic plan was to improve and increase our appeal to a broader audience. There's a significant consumer audience for gift cards that we have not been targeting in the past, and we want to broaden our appeal and target that segment. So we've been developing a new product. We call it Giftli, and we think of it as reimagining the gifting experience. What it does is give you the opportunity to really personalize the gifting experience for you, but also for the recipient. So it's fully digital. It's the end-to-end digital opportunity. So you can add video, messages, and other imagery and so on to really individualize and personalize the offering and then make the whole experience very positive and very joyful. And we really think it's a first. There's no one else doing it. We think it removes a lot of the pain points for gifting, but also, as I say, it's digital end-to-end for gifting and receiving. And we're very, very pleased about it. It's currently in testing. So we've got a closed user group test ongoing at the minute. And we're planning a soft launch in advance of Christmas to try and catch some of that gifting period. And then you should see the full launch, all going well, full launch in the new year. And then we as I say, very excited. It's a whole new departure for us. And we think it'll be something that consumers will really buy into. So we're making great progress on the implementation of our strategic plan. You may remember that there were 4 pillars: productivity, appeal, clarity, and experience. And I'm pleased that we're making progress across all of them and have built up significant momentum in each of the different areas. A few months ago, we moved our offices into Liverpool, into fit-for-purpose space, and we're already seeing the impact of that in terms of the way we can work together. The collaboration and the effectiveness of what we do is significantly improved. So very pleased about that. We're continuing the work on delivering a new ERP system. That's on plan to be delivered next year. That will be a significant help in making us more efficient and effective as well. So a lot of different things, but definitely more efficient, more effective, and on track for delivery. In terms of appeal, we've done a lot of work around improving and sharpening our existing marketing. We've enhanced the redemption partner set that we have, but we've also got our new consumer product called Giftli that we do think is going to reinvent gifting. So very pleased with how we're making progress on that, and very much on track with what we want to do there. We believe strongly that we need to be clear and sharp in our understanding of what we're doing, how we're doing it, and how we want to talk about ourselves and how we want to align our activities. So by being clear and focused, we can be much more aligned and therefore much more effective in what we do. And we've sharpened our language and sharpened our articulation of what we're about. And you can see that in the new name of the company and the branding, but also just in the general delivery of what we're doing. Making great progress there. And then in terms of experience for customers, significant improvements, some of which are sort of unseen. They're the underlying technology. And a new one that's currently in pilot, which is the delivery of your gift card into the wallet on your mobile phone, which will be a significant step forward. We think we'll be the first to do it, but regardless, it will be a big improvement, a much slicker delivery of our product, and consumers will be able to go online if they want with the card, or go into a shop and use contactless, whichever. It'll just be a much better user experience, and we're very excited about that. So when you add it all up, lots of movement, lots of great momentum we're building forward. The whole idea of all these pillars was about building a robust and scalable platform that we could use for growth. And so we're well on track to get the platform where we want it to be. And then it's a matter of driving growth through that platform. So yeah, great progress, and quite excited about the possibilities in the future. The outlook for the rest of the year remains unchanged. We're trading within expectations. We're making great progress on our strategic initiatives. The costs associated with that will be in line with previously discussed number, £2 million investment. So we're very pleased. There's great momentum coming from all the work that we're doing. The corporate side continues to grow, and the consumer side continues to take advantage of new marketing and refreshed marketing that we've been doing. And then, of course, we've got our new Giftli product that we're very excited about. So, we do feel there's a great momentum and great pace about the business, and we're very optimistic for the remainder of the year.